Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Amanda and I'm one half of Not Your Mom's Greens. First off, I'd like to say I hope that you all are staying safe and healthy out there. I know it's a really crazy time right now with coronavirus, taking over the globe. A lot of people are getting sick and some people are even dying, and it's really scary. So that kind of motivated us to make this video to show you 10 ways to boost your immune system. First of all, let me say I'm not a medical professional. Please do not use this video in lieu of medical advice. Just don't freaking sue us, people. We're just trying to make sure that if you guys are feeling a little sick, or even if you're healthy already, these are the ways to keep your immune system at a high to help prevent you from getting sick. In addition to doing CDC recommendations like washing your hands for 20 seconds, staying 6 feet apart from people, and wearing your mask when you're outside. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So our first tip is to open your windows. The reason why you want to do this is so you can have fresh air circulating throughout your home. If you're working in an office, be sure to get outside, take a walk whenever you can. Our second tip is to drink water. Of course, the recommendation is to drink 8 8-ounce glasses of water every day. And enjoy this clip of me trying to chug this glass of water.
A whole glass.
Oh, drink the whole glass?
Drink the whole glass. Ah! Do it. Yes.
Our third tip is to take a daily probiotic. The reason why you want to do this is because it balances out your gut bacteria. Our fourth tip is to work out. Working out helps sweat toxins out of your body. Our fifth tip is to get some sun. The reason why you want to do this is because the sun is a great source of vitamin D. An easy way to get your daily vitamin D dose is to go outside and take a walk. As you can see, I'm walking my cat here. Our sixth tip is to get out of those clothes. When you get home, make sure you change from your outside clothes into some fresh clothes. Our seventh tip is to drink some elderberry, or you can get the elderberry drops, you can get chews, whatever you can get your hands on. This stuff is great for your immune system. Our eighth tip is to take some vitamin C. Whenever I'm feeling sick, I just take a vitamin C tablet. You can get it from any brand. I swear to God, you drink this cup of vitamin C and the next day you're gonna feel brand new. The ninth one is a hard one, and that's to cut back on smoking and drinking. I know it's tempting in quarantine, but it's not great for your immune system. And our last tip is to get some sleep. It should be really easy to get your 8 hours, so make sure you're getting every drop of sleep that you can.